My name is Asad Yaqub, and we're going to start your IELTS speaking test. Let's take a start. How often do you take photographs?
Actually, I love to take photographs most of the time when we have our dinners and when we go to uh, any party or any activity. I love to take photograph most of the time.
What things do you like to photograph?
Uh, I think in photographs we captured memories for our future time. When we see the back in memory or in photographs, we recall the memories we actually had in our past time.
Do you ever take selfies?
Yes, I love to take selfies
Why?
because I love myself.
What do you do what do you do with the photos you take?
Actually, the photo I take, I usually uh, keep in my folders, in my laptop, or in my memory card to some recall our memory.
All right, let's move on to speaking part 2. Your speaking part 2 topic is describe a photograph you like. This is the topic. You have 1 minute to read the topic and write down some notes. Okay, you will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Actually, the photograph I like on the day it was my graduation day. On graduation day, the photograph I like it really much because when I see this photo, I recall the memories of my university days or my past memories, and my friend take it my photo on this graduation day, and the university's days and all back time I uh, really remember the time back in my university days.
Carry on, carry on.
And I like this photograph because it is very elegant and uh, uh, it is very elegant and it is very uh,
All right, thank you very much. We now move on to IELTS speaking part 3. How has photography changed over the past 20 years?
I think photography has made so many resolution in the techniques, because when if we look back 5 years back or 10 years back, the way of taking photographs were old, but nowadays the latest technology and so many advancement in photography, cameras are so many latest technology camera have, and so many advancement of the camera technology we have nowadays.
What makes a good photograph?
What make photographs? I think the way of taking the photos and the person who took the photo, it depends on the person who, whether it is professional or unprofessional person take the photograph. It depends.
Okay, why are selfies so popular?
Because everybody have her or his own mobile phone, so they are like to take picture itself, rather ask somebody else to take her or his picture in other mobiles or in cameras.
All
So
right. Thank you. That's the end of your IELTS speaking test. Overall, the first thing is grammar. You're making sentences, but at times these sentences are quite broken. Sometimes the proper subject, verb, object, something is missing there, or otherwise there are grammatical mistakes which you need to see. The second important thing is the content knowledge. In part 1, some of your answers were too short, so you need to add some detail to your answer. The third important thing is your fluency. You are taking pauses habitually, like that shows you're not speaking fluently, right? So you need to overcome all these things and try to speak for part 2 you stopped at 40 seconds, and then I gave you a gesture to continue, and then you continued. So you should plan something for at least 90 seconds, right? Okay, looking at your overall performance, at present I'll give you a 5.5, but you can improve it. Thank you.